Hey everyone, it's your name from Test Prep Vault, and today we're diving into the best apps for students in 2025. Whether you're in high school or college, these apps are going to transform the way you study and organize your life. Let's get started. First up, we've got Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and organize. It's perfect for taking notes, managing tasks, and even organizing group projects. The best part? It's super customizable, so you can tailor it to fit your needs perfectly. Next on the list is Forest. Forest is an amazing app that helps you stay focused and on task. You plant a seed in the app, and it grows into a tree as you work. If you leave the app, your tree dies. It's a fun and visual way to manage your time and stay productive. Plus, you can contribute to real tree planting. Now let's talk about Grammarly. Grammarly is a must-have for any student. It's like having a personal editor that checks your grammar, punctuation, and style. Whether you're writing an essay, an email, or a social media post, Grammarly ensures your writing is clear and error-free. It even offers suggestions to improve your writing skills over time. Moving on to Quizlet. Quizlet is a fantastic tool for studying and memorizing information. You can create your own flashcards or use sets created by other students. It also offers various study modes like games and quizzes to make learning more interactive and fun. Next, we've got My Study Life. This app is a lifesaver for keeping track of your classes, assignments, and exams. It syncs across all your devices so you can access your schedule anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to missed deadlines and hello to organized bliss. Finally, let's not forget about Wolfram Alpha. This app is like having a genius in your pocket. You can use it to solve complex math problems, find detailed explanations for scientific concepts, and even explore historical facts. It's a powerful tool for any student looking to deepen their understanding of various subjects. Alright, that's a wrap. Those are the must-have apps for students in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Test Prep Vault for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy studying.